In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Sony headphones to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up and use your Sony headphones directly on a MacBook. This will work for any model of MacBook that you have, and for most Sony headphone models as well. Primarily, they are going to be connected over Bluetooth. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Bluetooth connection. If for whatever reason your specific Sony headphones model do not have Bluetooth or you don't want to use this, then sadly you will have to look into other connection types. But for Bluetooth, all that you have to do is first go into the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook and make sure that it is enabled. Once it is enabled and discoverable, all that you have to do is set the Sony headphones into pairing mode. Usually, if you look next to the power button, there will be a Bluetooth symbol, as you can see right here. If it is not next or right beside the power button, then look elsewhere. But usually, what you have to do is press and hold this specific button labeled with the Bluetooth icon, and you press and hold this for a few seconds. Upon doing this, you will see the LEDs blink, indicating that the headphones are now discoverable by other devices because they will be in pairing mode. If you are unsure on how to set your specific model of headphones into pairing mode, like I said, check the manual. Once they are in pairing mode, the Sony headphones will appear under the list of nearby devices, and all that you have to do now is choose Connect. It is simple to do, and it will work for any MacBook. And like I said, most Sony headphones, as long as they support Bluetooth, you will be able to follow these same general steps. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony headphones to any MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.